Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly, you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera. So let's just, for an example, take a photo with this feature enabled, and now I'm gonna show you how you can disable it. You just open settings, and here you have this first option, mirror. So let's disable it and take another photo, and now you can see the difference. So this is like the normal photo, not different, not mirrored, and this is the mirrored photo. So on this one we have lighting on the right side, and on this one on the left side, but it's like actually on the right side here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.